So Cooper, as a non-AP Bio student, what have you heard about the class?
I've heard it's a really hard class with a really awesome teacher.
So, Mr. Crispills, what does your AP Biology class consist of?
You will get the best life advice you've ever had in your short time here on Earth, all couched in a beautiful sofa of biological concepts and tasks. It will be wonderful.
That sounds great. What's an average day like in AP Biology?
Yes, what I just told you.
All right, so Noah, how much work is involved in AP Bio?
I would say there's a pretty hefty amount with all the reading guides and study guides and POGL activities, but I would say the best strategy is to not procrastinate and don't leave it for the last day.
Okay, and how do you maintain good grades in AP Biology?
Going off what I said before, don't procrastinate. It's good to get things done early so you have a lot of time to fix your lab questions.
He's
Okay.
lying to you.
Hey, so Noah, how many reading guides do we do in AP Bio?
We do about like 1,000 and each one takes like a week, so you should plan out your day and do your other homework for your other classes accordingly.
Oh yeah? Okay, how long does each reading guide take, do you think?
I said about like a week.
A week?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks Noah.
So, Mr. Mo, what are the biggest takeaways from the labs in AP Bio?
I would say, from what I've seen in kids when they're doing the labs, that they're pretty stressful. I've seen kids break down in tears, pee their pants, which is kind of embarrassing. So I'd be prepared for some very, very strict things. I've heard the training for Navy SEALs is tough, but the labs in AP Bio is even harder. So be prepared.
Okay, so Q, is it worth taking AP Biology?
Yes, I would say it is worth taking AP Biology. Although it is considerably a hard class, you will have a really fun time and it's very interesting. If you want to pursue a career in biology, you should definitely consider taking this class.